Gravity pulls you straight down.
Что может кого подобрать? Ой, первая семерка, блядь.
О, я другой взял. А что это было?
Подожди, Неф.
Guys, what's up? It's me, Dell. Today I'll be doing an unboxing on this 2x2 Dahan. Yep, a new speed cube I got yesterday. Yep. Oh wow, it's really nice. For turns, yeah, it's really smooth. One second. I guess it came apart right when I was doing. Oh, whoopsies. I guess this thing doesn't like me no more.
Oh my god!
I'm on a YouTube feed.
Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I have another unboxing. Alright, so it seems the red center cap is out of place, and I'll just pop that back in. I've been waiting for a long time for this. Alright, for some reason it's not going inside, so I'm just gonna leave it like that and keep this safe. Now the 11x11 is what I was waiting for the most, because this is Jing Ping Mo Fang. Oh, it's Mo Fang. Oh wow, that looks horrible. I guess that is how it's made. Oh wow, it's popping out, and I'm not even sure if I should open it right now. As you can see, yes, I'm just not gonna open that. Oh my god, I'm so scared to open that. Alright, first up, let's go first up. This is huge. Alright, that's actually pretty nice. That's actually pretty nice. Wow, that was a fail. I am so screwed up. Let me keep that aside. Oh man, I feel so bad.
Rami is the world record holder for 2x2, average and single, and he gets an 11, well I think it's a +2. It is in fact a +2, 13.66. Rami gets a 7. And Rami finishing up PLL. Oh. And that's a pop, so he'll have to pick up the pieces. And oh, he stumbled. And he'll try to finish this off. Rami reset the timer, so that will be a DNF for... he gets a +2 on that 9, so that will be an 11.43. His average is not too good for him. And he will get a 9.23.